I'm Kelly.
And I'm Tennille, and we're in Rossland, BC, riding the Larch Ridge Monticola Trail. Quite technical cross-country stuff. There's some rocky elements to it, and lots of fun. Okay, so we made it to the top of Larch Ridge with some beautiful views of Red Mountain, and now we're going to have a fast, fun, flowy downhill on Monticola.
We made it to the final section of Monticola. Some people call this the Cola Coaster because it's super fast, flowy, and fun. So that's Larch Ridge Monticola, a fun time for intermediate and advanced riders. Come on out and give it a ride.